Hi, kindergarten friends. Mrs. E here, and today we're going to talk about how to get to our lesson in Schoology. No matter where you are, all you need to do is go to the very corner where you can see this letter S. It's a letter S in a circle. I am going to click on that. It will show me lots of different pictures. You need to find the picture with the music notes on it. It will be red and it will have music notes. Red music notes. Here are my red music notes, so I'm going to click. Now I see a picture of a folder. Click next to that. Here's my folder. Here's where I'm going to click. Now you can see a little square. And it looks like the square is made out of rulers. I'm going to click the letters next to our square made of rulers and click that. Here's our square made of rulers. Here's where I'm going to click. This next part, just this next part, you may need help with. You may need help typing in your name. If you already know how to type in your name, awesome! Do it. My name is Mrs. E, so I'm going to add in Mrs. E. Then, underneath these two boxes, there's a blue box. The letters say Join Lesson in this blue box, so I'm going to click this blue box. Then you will see a video that you can click on. Click the red play button. When you are ready, go to the next button, which is a little arrow. Then we will have an open-ended question. Here is what the question is up here. It says, what is your favorite type of music to listen to? If you want to listen to me say that, you can click this blue triangle.
What is your favorite type of music to listen to? You can tell me a group that you really like to listen to, a song that you really like to listen to. Maybe there's a movie or a video game that has your favorite type of music. Tell me what is your favorite type of music to listen to.
Okay, now that we've listened to our question, which is what is your favorite type of music to listen to, I can type my answer if I want to. I like the music from the Star Wars movies. I can also click this little button that will say Record Audio. I'm going to click that. Once these numbers start going, you're recording, and then you can record your answer. I like the music from the Star Wars movies. Click the red square to stop. And there's my answer. I'm going to go down, and this blue button is really important. It starts with an S, and it says Submit. If you don't click Submit, I won't get your answer. So click the blue button with the S in it for Submit. We have another question.
What is your favorite thing to do?
So you will tell me what is your favorite thing to do. I listened to that question by clicking this blue triangle. I'll go down, record my answer. My favorite thing is to teach music to kindergartners. Click the square when you are done. Then here's our favorite blue box. It has that word that starts with the letter S. That's the submit button. We need to click that or our answer doesn't count. Ooh, this one's different. Let's listen to the directions on this one.
Draw your favorite animal.
This says draw your favorite animal. Oh man. I'm going to click on my white screen here because I can draw. I'm going to draw a circle, and then a triangle, and another triangle to make a cat. Add some whiskers. Draw your favorite animal. It does not have to be perfect. You want to see if you can get me to guess what your favorite animal is. Oh, here's our blue button that has the word that starts with an S on. Right here, there's an S. That's our submit button. So I will click it. This says, is there anything else you would like me to know about you? And I can listen to that by clicking the triangle.
Is there anything else you would like me to know about you?
I can type my answer or I can record it by clicking the red button. You should know that I really like music and dogs and kindergartners and teaching kindergarten music. Now I'm going to click the square because I'm done with my answer. Here's our lovely button that starts with the letter S, submit. The end. I can click on this video. It's going to tell me that there's one more page that sends me to Chrome Music Lab. I can click around and find cool things to do with Chrome Music Lab, make cool music with any time I have left. I'm so excited to make music with you guys. Good job getting this far. I'm so excited to see what you guys come up with. Have a wonderful musical day. Bye!